I'm pleased to announce that the 2023 recipient of the Charles J. Parker Award is the Honorable Cecil J. Thomas. Although many of you in this room know Judge Thomas from his long dedication to the Bar Association, including his term as CBA president, or from his service as president of the Yukon School of Law Alumni Association, or his longtime commitment to and presidency of SABAC, the South Asian Bar Association of Connecticut, or many of us here tonight have surely benefited from his initiatives to promote diversity, equity, and inclusion within the legal profession. Or perhaps some of you know Judge Thomas from his relentless efforts promoting pro bono training and representation. And you may be one of the many students or younger attorneys he mentored and trained over the years. But what you might not remember is that before these important achievements, and before his appointment to the Superior Court bench last year, Judge Thomas spent his entire career as a legal aid lawyer. At Greater Hartford Legal Aid, and a housing attorney in particular, Judge Thomas represented thousands of individuals and families facing eviction and the very real threat of homelessness. Being a legal aid lawyer is no easy job. The work is extremely fast-paced, the issues varied and complex, and the obstacles faced by our clients each and every day can be overwhelming. Judge Thomas skillfully balanced these pressures and the needs of his clients in an often desperate situation with his ongoing commitment to preserving their legal rights through innovative litigation and advocacy. His clients and the legal services community quickly recognized his knowledge, professionalism, and focus, but might not have realized that they also benefited from his continuing efforts to press for their legal rights and recognition, not only through individual casework and litigation, but importantly, among colleagues within the bar and state government, and through his writing, speaking, and community involvement within the broader legal community and the general public. These efforts were never more important than at the start of the pandemic, when our lives, and especially the lives of our clients, were thrown into complete disarray. Judge Thomas stepped in to lead the legal services efforts to protect the rights of tenants who faced loss of their homes. He was the primary negotiator and worked tirelessly around the clock with the governor's office to quickly craft one of the strongest and most effective eviction moratoria in the country. He continued those efforts, working with the governor and the Department of Housing to help create Connecticut's rental assistance program to ensure that well over $400 million in COVID rent relief funds were distributed to landlords to keep families in stable housing. His role and the importance of these efforts cannot be overstated. For these reasons, and for his longtime commitment to legal services clients and community, Cecil Thomas exemplifies the spirit and dedication of Charles J. Parker. Judge Thomas is dedicated, hardworking, creative, and we are all privileged to have him sitting as a Superior Court judge. On behalf of the CBA, the Connecticut legal community, your former clients, and especially on behalf of your many, many legal aid friends and colleagues, congratulations, Judge Thomas.